So
It's how? Okay, we're going to Sunway Square and we are making matcha later.
yeah. Yay! Stay tuned. OTD. Show it.
Eh, 我们 Crescendo 不是有画这个咩？记得吗？
Yeah. Wait, say something, man. It's like a silent vlog.
Be a nerd today.
Oh, yeah, so embarrassing. Ooh. What did you order?
Peach strudel, mango.
Okay, cut.
Maybe tell them in the back. Stay on the job.
Tissue. Wait, how do I even say?
Like, gave us the wrong food and he spilled on the drink.
Yeah, first day on the job.
Try this. It's nice, right?
It's nice.
Why so sweet? Are you a sea or mountain?
See, of course.
What do you
No
think?
way you're a mountain, bro.
I'm not. I'm not sea either. I'm a house person. Yeah, I'll fit you. First date, cut the first.
Wait, how do I screw this up?
Yeah, I told you, you need to like. You need a scoop.
Okay guys, we are making matcha now. We are boiling water.
It's gonna be yes. Welcome to our matcha shop.
Okay. Tour.
This is the whisk. Put like that.
Yes, man.
Oh shit, it's wet. Matcha from Japan. I should open it. Yeah. Turn off the fan.
So many cuts.
It's not powder. I thought it's powder.
No, open the thing.
Open everything.
No, open it. Okay, fine.
Okay, I'm dissolving rock sugar
To make syrup. And also we soak the whisk in hot water. Did it melt in just water? Or does it must be hot?
I think hot would be quicker. It's at 88.
Okay guys, now we're gonna sift the matcha in. That's alright.
Okay, bro. Okay. No.
Yes, bro, that's way over.
真的咩
Yeah. Oh
Okay.
god. Very excited.
Whiskey. Use a risk, doesn't it?
You need to be fast. In life, you need to be fast.
Okay.
Why the fuck is it portrait, bro? This is a freaking vlog.
Ah. Okay. Don't say that. No. Wait, stop.
We have our matcha. We don't need that here, bro. We have our matcha. We have our milk. And we have our sugar water. Okay, do the honors. Pour it in.
Okay. Pour straight in or like do a circle?
Is there a difference? What if it doesn't float? Where am I faster?
Of course, will float lah. You didn't whisk it enough.
See,
If you want it to float, you need to like be very thick.
should we whisk it more? I whisk it like at top speed. That's ugly as fuck. It's ruining our matcha, bro.
No, just wait, Jim on the floor. I think you should
That's
pour
my
everything.
ego boost. No, that's way too sweet.
Okay, mix first.
Makes it.
Yeah. You try.
Why is it so freaking light?
Is it nice?
Milk.
Where's the matcha?
Let's add more matcha.
很像那个 It tastes
Okay,
like
guys.
what
We'll see you after we make more matcha.
Our failed matcha. Tastes like milk. Ours
First
new
day on the
matcha.
job.
Yeah. It's okay. First day. We'll get better. Color looks good.
It smells so much better. Fingers crossed.
Use a spoon.
Stupid.
Oh.
First day on the job. It's fine.
Bro, I saw it's a waiter. Waiter can't stop. Stupid waiter.
Do we mix it? That's not. That's a bit sugar.
Cheers.
Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got matcha taste already.
Yay!